Welcome to our group vlog. Today we're here in Cagayan de Oro City to explore the history of the iconic Jesalina Bridge.
This bridge is more than just a crossing. It has a story that goes back to the Spanish era and even World War II. Right now, we're standing at the Jesalina Bridge, which crosses the Cagayan River.
It connects two major parts of the city and helps people travel every day. But long ago, it was not the modern bridge we see today. During the time when the Philippines was under Spain, early bridges were built here to connect communities. During World War II, this area became very important. Bridges like Jesalina were strategic. They were key to controlling movement. When Japanese forces occupied parts of Mindanao, bridges were guarded or even damaged. Filipino soldiers and resistance fighters are also used these areas in their fighting freedom. Because of the war, earlier structures were destroyed and later rebuilt.
Spanish World has witnessed many changes. It's not just a bridge, it's part of the city's identity.